How to buy crypto on Binance with credit card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Binance with credit card. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now, in order to buy crypto on Binance with credit card, first you want to simply open up your Binance wallet and log into your account. Now make sure that you have completed your account with KYC verification. Now in my case, I've not confirmed it, but I'll just be guiding you through on how you can do so. Now you want to simply head into a particular crypto that you wish to buy, tap on it, and then tap on the buy option that you'll find at the screen. Once you tap on buy there, it'll ask you to enter in the amount of USD you want to spend. You want to select it, and then on the payment method you want to select the option that says add new card, and there you want to enter in your card details, your credit card details, and click on confirm, and you'll be able to make the purchase or buy crypto using your credit card as long as you have enough funds on it. So this way you can buy crypto on Binance with credit card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.